Good morning, children. Today we are going to see Surya Namaskar and Savangasana. Before going to this exercise, empty your belly, clean out your digestion tract, take some water, clear your toxins, digestive tract, respiratory tract. Make yourself comfortable. Take one mat. Use separate room or balcony. Better do in the open space. So let me start the exercise. Better face to the south position. First we are going to do a Namaskar Mudra. Closely watch it. This is the first step. And second step is Asta Uttasana. And slowly bend forward. Try to touch the floor. Don't bend the knees. That is called Pada Astasana. And after you go for Ardha Chandrasana and Parvatasana. This position, the pelvic region should not touch the floor. Chest should touch the floor. This is called Ashtangasana. And now you go for Bhujangasana. And Parvatasana. And Ardha Chandrasana. Pada Astasana. Asta Uttanasana. So again come to the Namaskar position. And again we are going to perform the asana. In this now we are going to say you in where we has to inhale and exhale. So in this position, normal restful breathing and second inhale. In this position exhale and inhale, exhale. No breathing then. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and normal restful breathing. So now the last time we are going to do this. Closely watch it. Maximum bend back, bend forward. We already say you where you has to inhale, where you has to exhale. It will activate your all kind of muscles in the body, small fiber muscles, large fiber muscles. So one of the best warm-up exercises this is. The greatest Indian traditional yoga asana is this, the basic asana. Do it, be safe, be healthy. Now we are going to do Savangasana because we have done minimum 10 repetition Surya Namaskar, so our heart rate will increase. So after the workout, to take down again your cardio level to the normal position, this Savangasana will help for you. And this is the one of the best asana to release your stress and body pain and control your hearts. Long breathe in and long breathe out. Don't make any muscle tightness, just be free. Look off the foods. Very relaxed position. So minimum you has to be for 5 to 10 minutes. It's good. Thank you. Again come to the Vajrasana position and sit relax. Scrub your hands and apply on the face. After finishing this, slowly wake up and shake your hands, shake your legs, and normal go for walk. Thank you.